Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to track inventory in Hostinger website builder in order to have this little low stock notification in the inventory column and next to your interesting or next to your products that is low in stock. So to track inventory, it's simple. Just click on one of your products. Let's go with this bulb vase products. Here below below pricing, check this box next to track event quantity. Here let's say I have 10 of these products and I want to see a low stock notification when the quantity or when the stock is 9, for example. Now click on save. As you see, now to publish this, I will go to the editor and hit update my website. Now let's view my website live. Go to store, and where is the bulb vase? This is it. Now I have 10 of these products. When I order a single product, I should see the low stock inventory. To test it, let's add this product to the bag, hit checkout, click on continue. Let's place this order. Click on continue. For this, I will place an order with cash on delivery payment method. Thank you for your order. Now, what should happen is that after I refresh this page, I should see this low stock notification next to this, where is it? Next to this bulb vase. This is the bulb vase product, and as you see, I got a low stock notification because the low stock threshold is reached, which is 9. And this is how to track inventory in Hostinger website builder. Unfortunately, you don't receive a low stock. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Unfortunately, you don't receive a low stock notification by email, but just this yellow dot is better than nothing. Now let's see what would happen if I buy this remaining stock of 9 products. So let's go to my website, all products. Where is the bulb vase products? This is it. Now let's select 9 products, click on add to bag, checkout. This is my email, my name, I will use cash on delivery as a payment method. Thank you for your order. Now let's refresh this page. Where is the bulb vase? And as you see now, instead of a little yellow low stock icon or sign, I got this big red out of stock sign. And this is how to track inventory in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you.